Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You need admin rights to scan effectively, so start command prompt as administrator right away. Once done, update virus definitions with mpcmd run. exe signature update or update mp signature in PowerShell so scans use current signatures. Then run sfc/scano to catch corrupted system files that malware can hide in. This cleans system files and makes detection more reliable. Make sure to let each command finish before moving on, because partial updates or interrupted integrity checks you'll start with a quick scan using mpcmd run. exe scan type 1 to catch active common threats fast. This gives immediate insights. Once finished, run a full scan with scan type 2 to examine every file on attached drives, which takes longer but finds deeply hidden malware. If you suspect a folder or external drive, run a custom scan with scan type 3 and specify the path. During long scans, monitor CPU and disk usage and avoid heavy tasks so the scan completes without interference. After detection, you should quarantine or remove infected files using Defender's suggested actions or use mpcmd run. exe remove options when available because deleting without care can break apps. If malware resists, schedule an offline or boot time scan to inspect before Windows loads. This prevents active threats from hiding. If scans fail, make sure signatures are current and you have admin rights. Then boot into safe mode and rerun scans. One key troubleshooting tip. If a tool won't run, check disk errors and run chkdsk/f before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.